Problem number 12. Kid Rook has a bicycle, and they have a maximum pressure. All tires do. Do we need to worry about the pressure rising as the temperature rises? So 72 psi in the morning when it's 10 degrees C. That should sound to you like a cold temperature, but it's not freezing. Freezing is 0 degrees C. Now, we need to make some estimates here as the day warms up. How hot can it get? I'm hoping you know that normal room temperature, which is about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, is around 20 degrees Celsius. But it can get hotter than that. Maybe it's a nice warm day and the road is hot from the sun. So let's imagine it gets up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is unlikely, but let's just use that as a measurement. This is about 38 degrees C. Human body temperature, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, is 37 degrees Celsius. That's kind of a nice benchmark there. So if you're a European, you say, my normal temperature is 37 degrees. When it gets up to 39, that's a fever. All right, here we go. Let's do the math. 72 psi at 10 degrees Celsius. Celsius is useless, must be turned to Kelvin. So 10 degrees Celsius is 283 Kelvin. And how big will the pressure be if we reach, let's do 37. That's a nice number. 37 plus 273 equals 310 Kelvin. So, then you do the math on your calculator. The important concept is that the pressure will be proportional to the Kelvin temperature. Since the pressure I got on my calculator with my assumptions is 79 pounds per square inch, which is well below maximum pressure the tires can take. So my calculations say he doesn't have to worry. Another way to solve this problem would be to say, let's figure out what the maximum temperature is. So here I'm doing an alternative way, starting with the same place, 10 degrees C, 72 psi, and saying, well, how hot would it need to get to blow out the tires? So this is another good way to do it. The temperature is 354 Kelvin. And you might say, I need to turn that into something more easily understood. Take away 273, and we get 81 degrees Celsius, which is approaching the boiling point of water. So this is an immensely hot temperature and not likely to be achieved on any surface on this planet, unless it's warmed by geothermal activity like hot lava. It's not going to reach 81 degrees Celsius. For you Americans who might want this degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit, the equation is degrees C times 9/5 plus 32 will get you to degrees Fahrenheit. So let's see what that looks like. 81 times 9/5 plus 32 is 178 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see that's an absurdly high temperature. No need to worry about your bicycle tires.